just minutes from downtown Clemson, just off 123 and right down the road from Patrick Square. On today's Where Am I Wednesday, let's go check out the Grange. There are 4 sections here in the Grange, all with different types of properties. You've got the estate series for your larger homes, the Charleston style homes down the Founders, your traditions series down here at the beginning, and then they also have some townhomes. Let's go drive around and take a look. The Stonehaven model is one of the floor plans available in the estate homes. What's great is all of these features in this home are standard in all of their models. Here's an example of the Founder series with their rear entry garages. The Tradition series does offer 2-story homes, but one of their more popular floor plans is the ranch with the bonus room over the garage. Very nice layout. I'm staying on one of the home sites and looking the other way, you can see the mountains. Beautiful property up here. If you like this week's Where Am I Wednesday, as we toured the Grange, and coming soon in phase 2, they will open up their retail section. They will have shops, restaurants, all kind of things to enjoy. If you have any more questions,